Hey kids, welcome back to Drawing Fun with Leo. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a cute puppy. Grab your paper and pencils and let's get started. Here's what we need. A piece of paper, a pencil, an eraser, markers or crayons for coloring. First, draw a big circle for the puppy's head. Now add 2 floppy ears on each side. They look so cute already. Next, draw 2 big round eyes. Add a small nose in the middle and a happy smile underneath. Our puppy is starting to come to life. Now draw a small body under the head and add 4 little legs. Don't forget the wagging tail. Let's add some spots on the puppy's body to make it even cuter. Then use your markers or crayons to color your puppy. I'm making mine brown and white. And there you have it, a cute puppy drawing. Isn't it adorable? Try drawing your own puppy and share it with us in the comments. If you enjoyed this drawing tutorial, give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe for more fun drawing videos. See you next time on Drawing Fun with Leo.